Good day, grade 7. Today is our subject in MAPEH 7. And we have in week 7, our lesson for today is all about form, right? So, from the form, let us proceed first the music, a line of form. Music is constructed upon one or more musical ideas called theme. A theme consists of melodic, rhythmic, and harmonic elements combined to give the musical idea and distinct character or individually. What is the form in music? Form in music is also based on repetition and contrast. This is where phrase combine these create parts of the sections. The manner in which the sections of the song is repeated of continue create form. In a music, well-balanced forms are achieved through repetition, variance, and contrast. And these are the forms. The form of contrast, the form of repetition, and the form of variation. Just like the example of the musical stop in contrast. If you notice, the following notes are same from one to another movement. Next chart is the repetition. If you notice again the following steps in the musical stop, it is a movement of step, skip, and step. Like 1, 3, up to 4 count by going to up, step, to skip, and to step movement. Next is another part of the variation. If you notice again the musical stop, it is downward, upward, downward movement, and that is the variation. Let's proceed to the praised. So what is praised is all about? It is a small group of notes forming a unit of melody. According to John Thompson, music is a language that can be expressed thoughts and even tell stories. Musical stories single notes by themselves mean nothing. Only when the notes are arranged into the music sentence they can be definite meaning. A musical sentence are called phrased, and the phrasing is a device that divides musical sentence into the musical sections. I will give you the example of a video in a Makabayan song and the title Leron Leron Sinta. Okay? Just listen and watch it. So, are you happy and satisfied listening the Makabayan's one of the Makabayan songs of a title Lero Lero Sinta class? Okay, so you are in. Let's continue our lesson discussion this topic. All right. When you're listening a title Lero Lero Sinta, the praise of the song is a small group of notes forming a unit of melody. It is like a sentence that contains complete idea. Musical phrases vary in the length, and the most common has 4 measures. When 2 phrases come to succession, musical idea is a form. We have the form of music. Every piece of music has overall and structure. Like example, the rondo form. Rondo form, repeated refrain or letter A with the episodes of also the B and C in between. And this is the example of the pattern of the form of music in rondo, followed by the B, C, and B. Another form is taken today is the Dystrophic Form. What is the Dystrophic Form in music? Others tell this about the Dystrophic Form like a sectional or adaptive way of structuring a piece of music based on repetitions of one formal section or the block play repeatedly. According to the other known by Robert Thompson, the brother of John Thompson in music structure in music, we have the Dystrophic triple A form, and other comes from the Greek strophe, meaning verse. Another meaning defined of the Dystrophic is one of distinct music theme, and the melody remains same, a word change. And this is the example of the Dystrophic form of the common of the song, the title Dick the Halls, a Christmas Carol. Let us advance and occasionally in Christmas Carol, the title. Like the example of verse 1 to verse 2 and to verse 3, I give you a tune in the verse 1 like this. Dick the hole with boughs of holly. And the verse 2 is sing, see the blessing before us. And the third verse is pass away the all your past. So that is a common example of the Dystrophic form. Okay, next proceed to the round canon partner song. In a partner song, we have are sometimes called quadlibet, which means 2 or more totally independent songs. Next, from round partner canon songs, canon means a piece of music when melody is started by one singer copied by one another. So in canon song, it is suitable for an easy ensemble to play by learning a simple melody together. And the last but not the least is the round. The round means it is a composition in which voices begin one after another at the regular intervals. And also rounds are subsets of a canon, and the accessibility taking up at the same subject forming a perpetual round. So that's all for my topic in MAPEH, in my lesson in MAPEH 7. So please watch e-class learning platform for the next week. Thank you and goodbye. Again, my name is Mr. Reynaldo B. Malimban, your MAPEH teacher.